Hey everyone, Jeff Weibel here. Last night, Elon Musk tweets out that he'll be on Clubhouse at 10 p.m. on the West Coast time. This morning I wake up and MeetKevin has the full interview on his channel where he's playing Call of Duty and listening to the interview on Clubhouse. But then to my surprise, Elon Musk has Vlad, the CEO of Robinhood, on Clubhouse to go over what's been going on with Robinhood, with GameStop. Elon Musk was holding back no punches whatsoever in this interview. He basically gets Vlad on. I keep on calling it a podcast, but he just gets him on Clubhouse and he's like, spill the beans, man. Why can't people buy GameStop on your platform? So then Vlad decides to go into his backstory, which Elon Musk cuts him off immediately and says, yeah, we know. Get to the point. So it's pretty much been since Wednesday of last week, and we haven't even been hearing a good interview from the CEO of Robinhood. He's been on CNN a bit and they tore him a new one. It sounded like he was just reading some garbage from an attorney. And you know, you're always gonna have your attorney say, don't say too much, but like we the people wanna hear stuff. So I'm sure he's kind of toying with it. Also, he doesn't really seem like he's a CEO for the camera. So on the Clubhouse interview that I listened to, he sounded very nervous, and Elon Musk, again, was just holding back no punches and was just hitting them with hard questions. He gets into that people were buying all these meme stocks on the internet, and basically his platform just couldn't keep up with the capital requirements to do the trades. Thursday morning, his operation team received a file from the NSCC, the National Security Clearance Corporation. So Robinhood has capital requirements that they have to meet daily during the trading. And the request was around $3 billion. And normally it would probably only be around $2 billion, and they were pretty much just sticker shocked. They didn't know what to do. They're probably running out of time. They ended up negotiating it down to almost half that, and then all the way down to $700 million, which they quickly signed the check so that people could still continue to trade. So there's a value at risk, a VAR formula that gets plugged in daily, and they determine, you know, how much money they're going to need to operate that day. Obviously, getting hit with a $3 billion bill, they just didn't have that funds lying around. They had to go talk to their investors quickly. But there is another factor, a discretionary factor, and it potentially could just be somebody's opinion that they should be halting trades. Elon Musk asked them, was something going shady down here? Like, what is going on with this whole kerfuffle last week? That's what the people want to know. Vlad didn't think there's any shady stuff going on. You know, the internet's going to want their conspiracy theories, so who knows? And apparently nobody's holding Vlad hostage at all, so nobody's got a gun to his head making him do this. This is very difficult for Robinhood. They stand for democratizing the ability to purchase stock. So they wanted to give people the access, but they gave them the access to sell and not buy, because of course, if you couldn't sell, you'd be even more mad. If you couldn't buy, you'd only be somewhat mad that you couldn't make money versus losing a lot of money. They had to conform to their regulatory capital requirements, and you know, I can see that. But we still wonder what degree Citadel has to play in all of this. There will always be some kind of a limit. You know, you can't just put in $100 billion into a stock and expect to get paid. So they have like a theoretical limit, but what they're gonna try to eventually do is that, you know, 99.9% of us can always be purchasing stock. But you know, that one outlier that tries to really break the stock market that day, they're just not gonna have the capital requirements to do the trades. So what do you think about the whole interview, and what do you think is gonna go on this week with Robinhood? Are people gonna be deleting the app? If you are gonna be deleting the app, I do have another app, Wealth Simple. It's linked below in the description, where if you sign up and you put $100 in and start trading, you get $10 for free. And you can purchase GME and AMC within that app, so go nuts. If you wanna see the full interview, you can go to MeetKevin's link down below, and you can see him play video games and listen to the whole Clubhouse interview with Elon Musk, and it's very interesting. It's always great to see Elon Musk on social media. He's been tweeting a lot. It seems like he's really trying to connect with us fans, so really appreciate Elon doing that and really diving down and getting the interview that we wanted to hear from Robinhood CEO and Elon Musk. With always, guys, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the like button, you hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video.